This time on Human Nature, mating rituals. In the wild, humans adapt their behavior as they change habitats. These oiled canvases and sculpted figures are the perfect backdrop to the arousing displays of carnal instinct we're about to witness. This is the human female, and this is the male. Now, he stalks his prey. It is June, mating season. The female has groomed her hair to remove bits of matted fur, while the male becomes decorated with accoutrement. Most men are born with unshielded eyes, but on this male, natural eye shades have emerged. But this female has no interest. Or does she? One can tell by how erect he is that his caveman ancestors are a distant memory in his DNA. Do you see this particular mark? It indicates that the female has been spoken for. But in the wild, sometimes the mark means nothing at all. Except when it's impossible to ignore. Her mate successfully defends her against the intruding male. But not all of them. A wily elder lurks in the background. Now the former hunted becomes the hunter. Some scientists say the difference in the male XY chromosome and the female XX chromosome is the cause for the curious games these two primates engage in. Many males court specific individuals. But this player has kept his mating options open. What's wrong with him, she might be asking herself. Then, with an increasing sense of dread, what's wrong with me? But wait, the elaborate mating dance continues. This elderly male has seen it all, and now he sees his opening. But in the end, he can only dream of the days when his virility held sway. Though the players change, the mating dance between the male and female remains timeless, because this is human nature.